Here we have my lovely partner to be able to present our 3D printed combing devices. So let's try these out. Turn around.
Please.
First, we're going to do our comb and brush this out, or our brush and brush it.
I was like,
I'm gonna start out with the brush. So here we go. We're gonna test to see how well these stay and see if they don't break or if they just end up in her hair. And then we're also gonna test the pick and the comb as well, and the same things are gonna apply. We'll see how well it goes. We'll see how many things end up in her hair, and we'll see which one works and which one doesn't. So first off, the brush. Here we go. Start over here. Oh, so far so good.
Doesn't even feel like it's doing anything.
Really?
Yeah.
It's going real nice. Here, let's so like you can see it a little bit better. Ooh, it's real nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So if we had a knot, this would be probably better to kind of check.
I have long hair, so I have to braid my hair at night. And I just took a shower before I braided it, so.
But all right, so that's the brush. And nothing fell off and nothing broke.
Yay.
Next, we'll go with the comb. One kind of already fell off.
Which one?
Oh, there's a couple more that are kind of falling off. We tried doing that little thing that you would do with the comb, and it's taken some of them off. But let's see how many end up in her hair.
This may not end up good.
Oh man, yep. Okay, we got some tangles here. It's catching a little bit. Let's see if we can get it all the way in.
We have thick
it's hard.
hair.
Is it pulling at all?
Right there.
Right there? Yeah, so it's pulling out the hair. It's definitely not working the best, but it's working out okay. And a little bit kind of broke right there, but otherwise it all stayed intact. Now let's move on to the pick. I think this one will actually last pretty good. We got a nice long extrusion there for this pick. So we'll try this out. Here we go. Pick test. Yeah, and this one isn't too bad either.
Careful with the initial, man. Stab me in the head.
Sorry, stab you in the head.
Nice and gentle.
Nice and gentle. Oh, I'm stabbing her. And yeah, so be careful about the stabbing of it too. But yeah,
like that
these all work.
That doesn't really hurt. It's just like the unit, like there, but that's sometimes what it happens when you go through hair.
These all work. So you should let me know in the comments below which one that you would want to have the most out of these collections. Out of this collection, which one would you like the most? And then let's ask her. Which one do you like the most?
Pickle's alright, but I have curly and thick hair, so I'd rather have the brush, at least for first, and then maybe the comb for finer details.
Nice.
But I like the brush better.
All right, brush wins out of 3D printed combing brushing accessories.